Hey there, animal lovers. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking you on a virtual tour of one of the largest and most affordable pet shops in Istanbul. The address is down there in description, so stay tuned to see what I got for my two beautiful cats. You can see everything is really affordable. This 10-kilogram bag of kibble is only like $4 or $5. It's me with that silly thing in my hand. There is also a small cafe, so we take a break and have some tea with honey cake. The cake was really delicious though. Oh my god, look at this cutie. He just came to me and wanted to cuddle. So, these are all I got from my cats. They look excited, huh? This is their dry food. A 12-kilogram bag, and this is the litter. We got like 6 or 7 packs. And we got a lot of these mini wet cat food cans. My cats are really loving it. There are different flavors, as you can see. Some multivitamins and mults. And of course, don't forget to get them cardboard scratches to survive your furniture from scratching. That's all for today, animal lovers. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.